Hi there. So I'm going to do 4 videos, follow up from the last video talking about the different kinds of renovations. And so we're going to start with the simplest one. It's the one that everybody wants because it's the easiest to do, and it's the cosmetic rehab. So what is it? Most people know almost instinctively, but just to make sure there's no variety of explanation, a cosmetic renovation, oftentimes referred to as a paint and carpet renovation, is when you're only handling cosmetic items on the property. You're not messing with mechanicals like HVAC, electrical, or plumbing. You're not changing roofs. You're not adding retaining walls. You're not adding structural things. You are literally just maybe change some flooring, change some wall color, maybe change some countertops, some fixtures, and you are done. It is literally simple stuff only. Maybe throw some landscaping in there as well. And we love these rehabs because they're quick, they're easy. Although if you get a larger property, one thing I'd caution you is people tend to think they're the least costly, and they can be, but when you get into a larger property, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 square feet, even a cosmetic rehab can be somewhat expensive because it's just a big house. So if you imagine if you got a 5,000, 6,000 square foot house, you could easily be spending $12,000 just to paint the house. Whereas if the house is 1,500 square feet, for $12,000, you could do the whole cosmetic rehab. So keep in mind, cosmetic does not necessarily equal cheap. It is relative to the size of the house. But regardless of the size, keep in mind, and also let me mention one more thing, is the price point of the house. If you've got a cosmetic renovation, but your price point is $1 million, it is still going to be, that's probably $100,000 right there for a cosmetic project, just because of the price point you're at. So keep in mind, cosmetic does not equal cheap. It just means it's the simplest type of project. Price point will affect your budget. Size will affect your budget. But fortunately, regardless of price point or size, it's still the most inexpensive and the simplest type of renovation there is. They are the most desirable, in particular in major markets. So don't be surprised if you have to work fairly hard to find them, especially in a strong market. Thanks.